Hi my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home, right? Myself Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 5th standard maths second lesson. What is the second lesson name? The second lesson name is operations on large number. In maths we have 4 operations are there, right? The first operation is addition, the second one is subtraction, the third one is multiplication and the fourth one is division. And today we are going to see this 4 operations related statement problem. This 4 operations related statement problem. So listen my children, before going to the topic, I'll tell something. Listen, how we will find the addition problem and subtraction problem and multiplication problem and division problem. When we have the terms like how many, how much, find the total, find the sum. When we have the terms like how many, how much, find the total, find the sum, means that is addition related statement problem. Next one is subtraction. When we have the terms like in question, when we have the terms like to find the difference to left and to deduct. So like this terms are means that is subtraction. And next one is multiplication. So multiplication means already you know, multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. In question they given smaller quantity and they asked us to find the larger quantity. For example, the cost of 1 pen is 5 rupees and find the cost of 30 pence. So like this means that is multiplication problem. And finally division. In division means in question itself they given larger quantity and they asked us to find the smaller quantity. For example, the cost of 20 pen is 100 rupees, find the cost of 1 pen. So are we all clear? So what does mean by multiplication my dears? Yeah, multiplication means that is a repeated addition, or else in question itself they given smaller quantity like one value, the cost of 1 pen, the cost of 1 box, the cost of pencil box, like that. In one smaller quantity given, they asked us to find the larger quantity. Okay, so listen, there are 622 pages in a notebook. So one notebook we have 622 pages. How many pages? 622 pages. Now we are going to find the 163 such notebooks. One notebook equal to 622 pages. So 163 notebooks equal to 622 is multiplied by 163. 163. Solution. So first you are going to write the one notebook equal to, one notebook having how many pages? Totally 622 pages. So write one notebook equal to, one notebook equal to 622 pages. How many pages? 622 pages. Right? 622 pages. Now we are going to find the 163 notebooks. 163. Right? 163 notebooks equal to, 622 is multiplied by 163. 622 is multiplied by 163. Now you take 622 multiplied by 163. So this is 3-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number. 3-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number. So first you take 3 and multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 6. Take 3 2s are. What is the answer? 3 2s are 6. So write 6. Again 3 2s are 6. And next 3 6 are. 3 6 are 18. Next you are going to take the 10th place value. Here the 10th place value is 6. So take the for table 6 table. Take 6 and multiply by all the number. Take 6 and multiply by all the number. Take 6 multiply by 2. 6 multiply by 2, again 6 multiply by 6. Okay, so 6 2s are. This is 10th place value. We are going to write the answer to 10th place. So put ones place value as 0 or plus. Okay, take 6 2s are. What is the answer? 6 2s are 6 2s are 12. So you are going to write 2 carry 1. Again you take 6 2s are. Here the answer, again you got the answer, 6 2s are 12. 12 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So the answer is 13. So the answer is 13. So write 3 here and 1 carry place. The next one is 6 6 are. So what is the answer? 6 6 are. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1, the answer is 37. So write 37. Next you will take the 100th place value. Here the 100th place value is one table. So it is very easy for you. Take the 100th place value and multiply by 2 and multiply by 2 and finally multiply by 6. So here we are going to write the number 100th place onwards. So the 1's place value is 0 or plus and 10th place value also 0 or plus. Now we are going to write the 100th place value. Take 1 2s are 2. Again 1 2s are 2. Again 1 6 are 6. 1 2s are 2 and 1 2s are 2 and finally 1 6 are 6. Now we are going to add this. Okay, so already you know multiplication means that is a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? That is a repeated addition. Add this 6 plus 0, the answer is 6. 6 plus 0, the answer is 6. Next 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 6 after 7 8. Right here 8. Next 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So 8 after 9 10 11. 11 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 11 after 12, the next answer is 13. So 13 you could write 3 and carry 1. Now we are going to add this 1 plus 1 2. 2 in the mind, 7 in the finger. So 2 after 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and keep 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 9 after 10 11. So write 1 and 1. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is this one. 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. 1 lakh 1386 pages. 1 lakh 1386 pages. So finally write the answer 101386 pages. So one notebook equal to 622 pages and 163 notebooks equal to 1,1386 pages. Now you clear multiplication related problem. So you know how to find the multiplication related problem. In question itself they given smaller quantity and they asked us to find the larger quantity. The next one is division. That is opposite to the multiplication. Listen. The question is, how many years are there in 4,56,253? 4,56,250 and assume that 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. Now we are going to divide this. Solution. Take 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. Next you will take 4,56,250 days is divided by 365. 4,56,250 is divided by 365. 4,56,250 is divided by 365. So now we are going to divide this. Take 4,56,250. 4,56,250 is divided by 365. Here we have 3-digit number. So divide and also you are going to take first 3-digit number. This 3-digit number, this 3-digit number. So in 456 means how many times this 365 is going there? Yeah, only one time. So take 365 is 365. 365. Now we are going to subtract this. While subtracting thing, first you will take the ones place value. So 6 minus 5, what is the answer? The answer is 1. Now tell me Purtika, what is the answer 5 minus 6? Here 5 minus 6 is possible. No, very good my dear. Why? Because 5 is the smallest number and 6 is the greatest number. We are going to get borrow from 4. So 4 it will change into 3, 5 it will change into 15. So 15 minus 6, what is the answer? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally we have 9 fingers, so the answer is 9. Next, I'll bring down next number 2. Okay, now you take 365 multiply by 2. 365 multiply by 2. So what is the answer? 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1. 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Next I'll take 365 multiply by 3. 365 is multiplied by 3. Take 3 5s are. 3 5s are 15. Fine. Carry 1. Again 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So we will take 1095 or 730. 730. Why? Because division is a repeated subtraction. While subtracting thing, first we will write the greatest number, then only we will write the smallest number. So compared to 912, 730 is the smallest number. So we are going to write 730. How many times? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Next you are going to subtract this. 2 minus 0, the answer is 2. The next one, 1 minus 3, this is not possible, right? So 1 it will change into 11, 8 it will change into 9, it will change into 8. Now 11 minus 3. So put 11 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines and strike out 3 lines. Okay, remaining we have how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Next, 9, 8 minus 7, the answer is 1. Next, I am going to bring down next number. What is the next number? The next number is 5. Okay, next I will take 365 is multiplied by 5. 365 is multiplied by 4. Next, I will take 365 is multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20, 0, carry 2. 4 6 are 24, 25, 26, 6 carry 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 12 after 13, 14. So 1460. Next, I will take 365 is multiplied by 5. Now 5 5s are 25, write 5 and carry 2. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 put 2, carry 3 and 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. So we got the answer 5 365s are 5 365s are 1825. Now 1825 minus 1825, the answer is 0. The answer is 0. Next I will bring down last number. What is the final number? Here our final number is 0. So already you know 365 zeros are 365 zeros are 0. So write 0 365s are 0. Now 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Listen my children, how many years are there in 4,56,250 days? So totally we have 1250 years. What is the answer? 1250 years. Answer 1250 years. Okay, so these are called the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division related problems. So these are called the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division related problem. So in day to day life we are using addition related problem, subtraction related problem, multiplication related problem and division related problem. I hope everyone enjoyed this section. In this section you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division related statement problem. In this below description we have given study material, question bank and assessment work. So my dear student, do all the one. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.